Auto glass repair and replacement by ABC Glass of Las Vegas, 702-574-3662. 2014 Mercedes C300. Need services? Call us, 702-574-3662, or just visit us online, www.abcglassofnv.com. Whammo, windshield has been replaced. 2014 Mercedes C300. Need services? Call us, 702-574-3662, or just visit us online, www.abcglassofnv.com. We'll come over to you at home, work, gym, construction site, wherever, as long as it's within Vegas. Or just visit us online, www.abcglassofnv.com. Again, 702-574-3662.